Hey everyone, Coach Adam here. Today's segment is dribbling. Some of y'all may ask, why do we dribble? We dribble to, first of all, prevent being called for traveling, right? The easiest thing. But also, dribbling helps us get to spots on the court easier. The better you're able to dribble, the easier it is to get the ball to your teammates and score. Check out players like Kyrie Irving, Chris Paul, Steph Curry, guys who have really great handles. Fun fact, in the late 1890s, dribbling wasn't even allowed in basketball. All they were able to do was pass the ball around. So in the 1900s, early 1900s, is when dribbling was allowed full time. You can dribble everywhere. And even then, guys were just able to dribble one hand to the left and one hand to the right. But nowadays, the ball handlers are so creative and there's so many different ways you could dribble. So let's show you a few of them. So, another fun fact, James Naismith invented basketball in 1891. The first hoops were peach baskets and the backboards were made of wire. So here's something simple to get started with. I'll dribble 10 times with my dominant hand, which is my right hand, and then I'll dribble 10 times with my left hand, which is my non-dominant hand. But each way I'm getting practice and learning how to dribble with both hands. So here we go. And then I'll switch. Here everyone, here's a trick that Steph Curry does. And what I'm going to do is show it to you guys and break it down for you, okay? Here we go. Oh, almost. Let's practice with one ball. So first you want to get into the wide stance. Just enough to get the ball in between your legs. And then you just want to practice. And if you miss the ball a few times, don't worry about it. See, I still do it sometimes. I'm looking at the TV.
Okay.
Here we go. You good?
There you go.
So as you practice with one ball, you're going to build the coordination and be able to dribble with two balls. Here's another dribbling technique I want to show you that will help you on your offense. Now think of when you're in the game and somebody's defending you and they reach for the ball and they might be able to steal it if their arms are really long, right? But if you learn how to bring the ball behind your back and switch hands, and you can go, that'll be a big improvement to your game. So I'm gonna make sure that my legs are a little bit wide. And then I act like I'm sitting in a chair or something like that, and I just do this. So between the end of this video and the next video, practice dribbling with your dominant hand and your non-dominant hand 100 times. And I promise you, you'll get better. Thank you everyone for watching this video on dribbling. You've learned how to dribble with your dominant hand, whether you're right or left-handed, or your non-dominant hand, And always, I'll see you guys at the next video. Be sure to check out the other videos. See you guys next time.